So here's the second part of the song. We've learned from the beginning, first ending, repeat, jump to second ending, and then we never learned the second ending. So the purpose of this video is to show you what happens at the second ending and what you have to do. Now, I'll have an extra video that shows me playing the guitar so you can hear what that part sounds like. So anyway, I'm going to go from second ending directly to this area that says B and go all the way to the end. Now you're going to see this little section here that says D period, S period, and that means dal segno. In Italian, it means to the sign, go to the sign. And the sign is at the very beginning, second measure. Looks like that. So that means when you finish the second ending and go all the way and play through this measure, you are supposed to jump up to that second measure. That's the segno, the sign. Then you continue to play through the music as it moves forward. And typically you skip the first ending if you've already done all these repeats. So you will skip the first ending, go directly to the second ending, and play that again. And then this time though, you're going to keep going because you've already done the segno. You've already made the jump. So then that means you're going to go now to this fourth line. You're going to play through that fourth line, and then you're going to play through all of this material here. It does say guitar solo in your music, but it actually is a piano solo in the recording. But and I'll show you with the guitar what this sounds like. It's a great part to be playing. You play through that, and then when you see a repeat like this, you have to repeat those two measures. I'm just going to get that. It won't let me. Come on now. Just take that. There we go. So this is two measures, and you repeat them. Then you might ask, well, why didn't you do that up here? Well, I was thinking that it might be a good idea for you to see the different ways that we might be able to repeat measures in music. You can either just repeat them and you can see them like this. This measure is actually being played 4 times. Then it switches to this, and you only see 2 measures, but if you repeat it, you're also getting 4 measures of that as well. That made it easier for me to put everything on one page. That was another reason that I did that. Once you do the repeat though, you just keep on going forward. Then you're going to move over to this next line, and you'll notice it says A. This is the same music that we played at the top, right here. So that means we're already going to start to play music that we already know, and it's familiar to you. We play it, go to B. That's going to be familiar because you've played that before too. And then these 2 lines usually means it's the end of a section. So that is basically the ending. Sometimes musicians refer to it as outro. It's not a real technical term. But since we use intro, which is this beginning here, the ending of the song actually goes out by playing what sounds like the intro. And that's this. Again, material that you'd already have covered and already recognize. So that part's going to be easy to discuss because you've already done it from our very first lesson. So that's what everything looks like in the music. Now let's get to see what it looks like actually on the guitar.